Hi my dear viewers, welcome to Eti Vlogs. Today we'll learn how to make the graphs using the Excel. We can make pie graph, we can make the line graph, and as well we can make any graphical representation by using the Excel. And here I've selected the two data, that is in column A I've taken Jan month. In column B there is the CSAT for the respective months, just a dummy data I've taken. To get this, just select the data and go to insert. Under insert you can see the charts. In charts you can find the column representation, line graph, pie graph, bar graph, and all types of graphs. Today I'll show you about the line graph representation and also how to do the different graphs in that I've selected the basic. That's the first one I've selected it, and here you can see where the month versus the CSAT has been represented in x-axis and y-axis respectively. And if you want to change the color of the line, just click on that line and go to the design. In design you can see whichever color you want, you can choose the color. If you click on the bottom this thing arrow mark, you can select the color as per the color you want, you can change it. Not only that, if you click on the empty place in this graph, you can drag it and paste it wherever you want as well. And if you want to change the graph layouts, you can select it from here, from chart layouts. Click on the bottom, you can find whichever this thing layouts you want, you can select it. And as I said earlier, you can change the position of the graph by clicking on the empty place and dragging it wherever you want, you can place it. If you want to extend the size of the graph also, you can do it just by clicking at the right bottom corner and dragging it. This is how we can increase the size. And if you want to represent the same thing in different graph format, you can go to the change chart type towards the left corner, click on that, and whichever graphs you want, line graph, pie graph, bar graph, whichever you want, you can do it. Currently I'll show you for the pie graph as well. Click on the pie graph. In pie, whichever you want, you can get it. I'll go for the basic one, the first one, and click OK. You'll get the pie representation. On the data also can be selected as per you wanted. I'll select only 3 months here. I'll just have to drag it till 3 months, Jan, Feb and March month. And also in design you can choose whichever the graph you wanted, whichever the presentation you want. In chart layouts also you can change it as per we did in the line graph also. For pie graph also the same thing has been there. You can change it as per your comfortable, or whichever you feel it is good to represent it, you can choose the same thing. Yes, and also you can change it for the entire month, or you can change the color of the graph, and also the chart representation or chart layouts can be changed just by clicking on whichever the type you want, and whichever the colors you want also you can select it. Now we'll go for the other one, which is a column graph. Line graph is done and pie graph is done. Same way we can do it for the column graph as well. Just click on the column and whichever you want, you just select it over here. There is whichever the column graph. I'll go for the basic one here as well. I'll select the first one and click on OK. Here you can find in X and Y axis the Jan month, what is the exact CSAT, and for February month what is the CSAT karke. And also in the chart layouts, whichever you want, you can select the type of charts to be represented. Once you do this, and the color also can be changed in the design. At the top you can see that whichever color you feel like, you can change it. And also the top header also can be changed just by clicking on it. You can change it to I have changed it to CSAT 2021. And also the color, as I said you earlier, it also can be changed just by clicking on whichever the color you want at the top under design. If you want to represent the same graph in a bigger way, at the top right corner there is move chart option is there. If you click on that move chart and click on OK, the chart will get shifted to the next page. So the entire page will be covered, so that it will be in a bigger way and easier way to read also the charts here. And also if you change something over here, for example, I'll change December to 4.7, and you can see in that graph in the next page automatically it will pick the value as 4.7 for December. Not only that, if you see here in January month, it is showing us 3. If you just change in January month as 5, and definitely it will pick in the graph as well as 5. This is about the graph. In the next video definitely I'll speak about more about the pivot, which will definitely helpful for you people. And until next video, thank you, take care, bye bye.